Hello, lovely people. Follow the steps to achieve the perfect look. Step 1. Clean brows. Remove any oil, makeup, or dirt from the brow area. Step 2. Apply lifting perm solution. Use a brush to lift and shape the hair upwards. Step 3. Cover with plastic wrap. Secure your brows with plastic wrap for about 5 to 8 minutes. Step 4. Remove solution gently. Carefully remove the plastic wrap, leaving the brows exposed for a few minutes to air dry. Step 5. Apply fixing, neutralizing solution. Step 6. Map and shape brows optional. For a more precise and detailed shape, use a brow mapping product to create the desired shape and volume. Step 7. Apply nourishing oil or keratin. The finished result looks beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.